first thing you need, a large mixing bowl. So you're going to need a light bulb, decorative Easter egg, need some eyes. Flies have compound eyes, so we'll use some of those. A bag of black beads, you need a tongue, plastic maybe, EVA foam, wire, some more wire, a few fancy beads, super glue, baking soda, hot glue. We're going to need some paint and some fancy paint. And you need a guide to go by. You mix that together and voila, Lord of the Flies. Well, that was fun. Now stick around and I'll show you how it's really done. Okay. A little bit of super glue. Baking soda. Now, doesn't have to be perfect. That just fascinates the hell out of me. It's a nice eye. Once you've got the body glued together, drill some holes for the legs. To make the compound eyes, you can use these stick-on gems. These came from the dollar store. This is like 18 gauge armature wire. Shape it to look like a fly wing. I used 28 gauge wire to form the webbing. This is EVA craft foam, cut into strips and glued into place with super glue. Once all the foam was in place, I attached the wings. Then I added a few spiky things around its mouth and forehead. "Oh yeah," he says. So now it's time to paint, starting with some black primer. This is metallic acrylic craft paint. I wasn't sure if it would work, but I'm okay with how it turned out. This is always the scary part, covering it with a black oil wash and hoping I didn't just ruin it. I saved the wings for last. Apply some glue to the wing frame, lay the plastic over it, let it dry, and then trim it. And now, introducing that fly. Like that one.